Hey, it's Mark Weiss. If you got here from the link that we use as our Twitter blast, you would have heard me talk about the expression "justice delayed is justice denied." And my question about payment in the context of healthcare is: healthcare payment delayed, payment denied? Well, probably is. Recent story by the Kaiser Family Foundation, which sponsors the Kaiser Healthcare News, reported on a study they did into payment by some of the major carriers. And what do you know? To no one's surprise, they found that some of the majors, in particular Anthem and United, were apparently, allegedly, as they say on the news, engaged in a massive slowdown of payments. In fact, some of these carriers, and I forget which one it was, has more than 50% of its claims put into sort of the denial loop. Carriers are claiming that they've lost information, can't process the claims. Carriers are claiming they need to speak directly with the physician in order to process the claim. But when the recipients, both hospitals and physicians, complain, "Where's the money? How come you only paid me X when you owed me X plus Y?" The carriers are saying, well, you have the right to appeal, as if the cost of appealing and the time value of the money, well, it's free, which it's not. We can't complain as we might. We can scream and yell at state insurance commissioners, which is probably a good thing to do. But the major takeaway here is that you have to make sure that you are staying on top of your collections. I know it's anecdotal, but I am hearing from clients more and more trouble in terms of collecting. Stay on top of collections if you're doing it yourself. Make sure you have enough staff, and that staff is not just engaged in the easy work, but also the follow-up. If you're using an outside building service, same advice. Stay on top of them. The squeaky wheel does get the grease. But don't just wait, find out you can't meet payroll, and then blame it on Aetna.